Good morning, dear student. Welcome my today class. Today I will teach chapter number 5th, acids, bases and salts. And today topic in this chapter, neutralization. So what is a neutralization? The reaction between an acid and base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. I hope you understood, all of you. The reaction between acid and base is known as neutralization, and the salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. Okay. So student, related this definition, we can see one example. Okay. So HCl means hydrochloric acid is a acid. Okay. And second, base NaOH, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a base, hydrochloric acid. HCl is a hydrochloric acid and NaOH is a sodium hydroxide. Okay, sodium hydroxide. So this is acid, okay, and sodium hydroxide is a base. So after a reaction between acid and base, so this reaction called neutralization. Okay, and produced in this reaction, in this process, okay, produce, so H and chloride between bond is breakdown, and NaOH, Na and OH between bond is breakdown, and H break plus charge, Cl break minus charge, sodium Na break plus charge, and OH break minus charge. So react H react OH and make H2O, okay, and Na react with Cl, so make NaCl. So in this process evolution salt and water. So H2 is a water and NaCl, sodium chloride, is a salt. Okay, I hope understood, all of you. And next topic in this chapter, neutralization in everyday life. Okay, so in this topic, neutralization in everyday life, I have introduced some subtopics. Okay, just like indigestion. Okay, and second is a ant bite. Okay, ant bite, and third is a soil treatment. Okay, and fourth is a factory wastage. Okay, so student, I have introduced this first topic, indigestion. Okay, so about indigestion, our stomach contains HCl. HCl is hydrochloric acid. Okay, it helps to digest food, as you have learned in chapter 2. Okay, but too much है आप, acid in the stomach causes indigestion. Sometimes indigestion is painful. To relieve indigestion, we take an antacid such as milk of magnesia, okay, which contains magnesium hydroxide. It neutralizes the effect of excessive acid. Okay. So student, in digestion, in this process make ACl and take antacid, okay, and neutralize. Okay, and then second is a ant bite. Second is a ant bite. When an ant bites, in it injects the acidic liquid formic acid, okay, so into the skin. Okay, the effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing most baking soda, okay, and this is a sodium hydrogen carbonate, baking soda called sodium hydrogen carbonate or calamine solution, which contains zinc carbonate, okay. And third is a soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizer, okay, excessive use of chemical fertilizers, okay, so make the soil acidic. Plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or basic, okay. So when the soil is too acidic, it is treated with backs like quicklime. Quicklime means calcium oxide, or slackline. Slackline means hydrogen oxide. Slackline means hydrogen oxide, okay. So student, if the soil is basic, organic matter, okay, is added to it, okay. Organic matter release acid which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil, okay. And last and fourth number is a factory wastes, okay. The wastes of many factories contain acid. If they are allowed to flow into the water body, the acid will kill fish and other organisms, okay. So the factory waste are therefore neutralized by adding basic substance, okay. Student, I hope understood today's topics. Regarding today contents, any doubt, you can feel free to ask me, okay. Have a nice day, good day.